Algebraic ratio and proportion exercise 11.1. We are starting number 10. If x equals to 4ab divide a plus b, show that x plus 2a divide x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divide x minus 2b equals to 2, and here is also mentioned a not equals to b. So first, given x equals to 4ab divide a plus b. So here is a tricky term like 2a and 2b. We need this one. So first, what can we do? First, our target to make x plus 2a and then x plus 2b. So first, we can write x divided 2a equal, here is 4ab divide a plus b times 1 by 2a. It means we are multiplying both sides by 1 by 2a. Okay, then here is x plus x divided 2a equal 4 divide 2, it will be 2, a divide a, it will be out. So here is 2b divide a plus b. Now we will make componendo and dividendo. How? X plus 2a divide x minus 2a equal, similar, here is 2b plus a plus b divided 2b minus a minus b. So we are telling this one componendo and dividendo, right? This one. Next, here is x plus 2a divided x minus 2a equal 2b plus b, it will be 3b plus a, 2b minus b, it will be b, and here is minus a. We can write this one equation 1. Again we will start from begin. Here is x equals to 4ab divide a plus b. X equals to 4ab divide a plus b. Now our target to make x plus 2b divide x minus 2b. Look, we already get x plus 2a divide x minus 2a in equation 1. So same thing, we can write x divide 2b equals to 4ab divide a plus b times 1 by 2b, and here we can write multiplying both sides by 1 by 2b. Now look, here is 4 and here is 2, once you divide it will be 2, b divide b 1. So finally we can write x divide 2b equal 2a and a plus b. So again we will make componendo and dividendo. It means x plus 2b x minus 2b equal 2a plus b divide 2a minus b. Okay, a side note, we should write this one. This one again we can write, so we just copy and paste Okay, so componendo and dividendo. So what happening now? Here is x plus 2b divide x minus 2b equal, here is 2a and plus a, it will be 3a, right, and plus b. Next, here is 2a minus a, it means a, and here is minus b. We can consider this one is equation 2. Okay, here is equation 1 and 2 we are writing together. Now we can write equation 1 plus equation 2 we get. So here is x plus 2a divide x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided x minus 2b equal, here is 3b plus a, b minus a, and plus 3a plus b divided a minus b. Now look, here is b minus a and here is a minus b. We can write this one like here 3b plus a, b minus a. So we can take common minus. So here is minus 3a plus b divided b minus a. Now we can make LCM. So here is b minus a. So we can write 3b plus a minus 3a plus b, right? Then b minus a, and here is 3b plus a minus 3a, plus and minus, it will be minus b, right? Now what next? Here is b minus a, 3b and minus b, it will be 2b, plus a minus 3a, it will be minus 2a. So we can take common 2, right? Once we take common 2, here is b minus a divided b minus a. Now we can divide this one, so it will be 2. Now look, show that, our question was show that x plus 2a divided x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided x minus 2b equals to 2. And look, here is right hand side, it's 2. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. This video I am trying to solve number 10. Next video we will start from number 11. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel MathZip. Thank you.